You don't need 100 indicators to make money in the markets. Sometimes, all you need is two. Just two moving averages, 9 and 21, and the discipline to follow them. I remember the phase where my chart was a mess. Every indicator possible stacked on top of each other, screaming different stories. Confusion, hesitation, losses. Then came a day, I removed everything. Left only price and those two lines. The 9 EMA, the 21 EMA. That's it. And suddenly, the chart started talking to me. The 9 EMA moves quickly. It's sensitive. It feels price. The 21 is calmer. It smooths the noise. When that fast 9 crosses above the 21, buyers are taking over. When it crosses below, sellers are tightening their grip. But don't get me wrong, it's not magic. You don't enter just because two lines intersect. You enter when that crossover lines up with structure. Are we in an uptrend? Is price bouncing off a demand zone? Is volume supporting the move? That's when it becomes powerful. That's when it becomes real. The market rewards patience, not impulsiveness. If you buy every crossover like it's some jackpot, you'll drain your account fast. But if you wait for the right confluence, structure, support, momentum, then this strategy hits like a sniper. You see the 9 EMA cut above the 21, price closing strong above structure, volume kicking in? That's your chance. Small stop below the zone. Let the trend do the work. And when things shift and the 9 slips under the 21 in a downtrend, the market is whispering, get out or go short. Most people don't hear that whisper, but traders, real traders, they listen. It's not about predicting the future. It's about reacting to what the market is telling you, clearly and honestly. Because in trading, simplicity isn't weakness, it's strength. Master one setup, repeat it with discipline. And that's where consistency begins. Let the amateurs chase noise. You follow the rhythm. Let the 9 and 21 guide you. They won't lie.